All right, we're back in the tools section of the booth, and something just released here at JCK is the new Built Engraver, and it's pretty cool. So Shawn is going to tell us all about this one.
Yes, a new exclusive to Stuller engraver. Very easy to use. You can do imagery. You can engrave on the inside, outside of rings. You can engrave pendants. The Magic Art software is the same software that his drag type systems use. So very, very easy and simple and quick. As you can see, this was an image we took of Jeremy, and it printed within about 5 minutes.
All right, and I've been seeing this machine work all day. It is pretty nifty, so if you're around, come out, check it out. It's a good price point, right?
It is. For $19.5, it's unheard of. This type of quality, this type of imagery you can get for $19.5 is really, really good.
All right, well, come check it out, guys.